trip with all of the friends. So at the moment, to show my mother-in-law and my friends as well, we're going to Rhine Falls, and hopefully we can go somewhere else from there. From Stuttgart to Rhine Falls, it took us to 2.5 hours. We did have a stop in between because we have a baby, and so we just saw a slight view of it. It was so beautiful. So now actually we came to another path, which is actually for going around the river, which is the Rhine Falls. We do not want to choose that because my mother-in-law can't walk the entire round. So we are going directly to the waterfalls. Let's go back. This place, actually the Rhine Falls, is actually free. You can just come and see and go. But if you want to like go to the center of the waterfalls and view that view, then you have to take tickets over here. We just finished the boat ride and we are going back. I was actually astonished by its beauty that I was not able to concentrate on taking the videos. I was enjoying it a lot with all of my friends, and we're going back right now.